Hello, moist first graders. Thank you for your hard work. This is the second video for session 1 of Unit 2, English Inquiry into Mathematics. By this time, you should have watched the course introduction video. In this video, we will talk about our approaches to learning, or ATLs, and rubrics. So, let's get started. In this course, we have two approaches to learning, or ATLs. Self-management, self-talking. Communication, read for communication. In this course, this is what you need to do. I'm going to find out what I know, I don't know, and learn what I need to get better at in this unit. Also, I am going to be able to say and understand spoken mathematical expressions in English. Use math in different ways to express my ideas. For example, this expression. If you don't know how to read this in English, then you can say, I don't know how to read this in English. 7107 is 7,107. If you couldn't sound it out well, you can say, I need to get better at reading numbers in English. For read for communication, 7 minus 3 minus 1 equals 3. If you were able to sound it out clearly, then you can say, I can understand and sound out English mathematical expressions. First, there were 7 apples. Next, John ate 3 apples. Last, Tomoko ate 1 apple. 3 apples were left. If you were able to make different representations of this, then you can say, I can use English mathematical expressions in different ways. So far, so good? Let's continue. These are our 2 ATLs for this course. Again, if you don't understand, you can read them again, or you can watch this part of the video one more time. Let's move on to our rubrics. In this course, we have 3 goals. How good you perform in order to meet each goal is scored between 1 to 8. 8 is the best score you can get. Let's read the first goal together. To use the correct mathematical processes to solve problems. A1. Knowing and understanding. You selected appropriate mathematics for spoken or written math problems all the time. You answered all problems correctly. If you want to get 8 or 7 for A1, you have to do these things. Let's read the second goal. To use correct English expressions in writing and speaking. C1. Communicating. You expressed all of your solutions in an easy to understand way. You expressed all of your solutions in different ways. To get 8 points or 7 points, check if you were able to do these things. In MOIS, self-reflection is very important. Now, let's read the third goal. To use mathematical ideas in everyday situations. D1. Applying mathematics in real-life contexts. You marked all of the relevant parts of the text. You correctly identified the main problem. You solved all the problems correctly. Your solution was easy to understand because it was logical. Again, to get 8 points or 7 points, you have to do all of the things in the box. In MOIS, all subjects use rubrics. So, it is good that we can learn about what rubrics are and how we use them in EI and other subjects. They help us in knowing what we need to do in our lessons. Rubrics are important. That is the second video for Unit 2, English Inquiry into Mathematics. All the resources and files are in Manabox. If you have any questions, you can talk to your teachers in Classy. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.